All right, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. This has nothing to do with dog stuff, but I thought this might be helpful to some of you. So the air, this is the temperature, right, of the house, is what you want it to be at. It just wouldn't turn on, wouldn't turn on, wouldn't turn on. I thought it was a battery or something, but battery's fine. So I went into here. I saw a video on YouTube. The guy told me to check the T-switch, right? If the T-switch is full of water, I mean something's clogged up in the drains and it's basically gonna stop the air from working. This is a little sensor, moves up and down with water, fills up with water, and it's usually on here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna have it like that, probably a little tighter. All you gotta do is disconnect it. When you disconnect it, you're gonna see that there's probably a little bit of water on here and in here, as you guys can see. For an overnight fix, put a bucket under. Make sure this is facing down, that way this little cap is all the way down. For example, I'm gonna leave it right here, right? And I'm gonna let the water drip into that. For the rest of the night, we got the air working. It's dripping, which it shouldn't be doing, but tomorrow I'll come and fix it. Boom!